Hey, Barbara, what did you get?
For Christmas, I got the Pampered Chef egg sandwich maker.
Are you excited?
Definitely, because I want to eat healthy, and for eating healthy, I need things to help me in the kitchen, where it's easy for me with my developmental delays to make things in the kitchen like egg sandwiches, scrambled eggs, and healthy things because I want to eat healthy. I want to better my best by eating healthy and living to the living life to the fullest. And if anyone is with me on that to living life on the fullest, then please look into egg sandwich makers because I don't think that people should go to McDonald's and get egg breakfast sandwiches as they sometimes are runny and they either don't have enough. They're not yolky with the yellow part, and they're unhealthy. And you can make your own healthy egg sandwich
You
at
mean,
home.
yeah, you can. And what one is that called again?
It is called the Pampered Chef Breakfast Sandwich Maker.
So you can use what? English muffins, right?
Muffins,
And
eggs,
and some meat,
meat.
if you want.
So this is the lid.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And then this came with it. These are the dividers.
Yep. Looks like they're dividers for maybe
For
the meat, the English muffins,
or
yeah.
meat. And, or cheese.
Oh, that's okay.
Or cheese. And then this is what you put the egg in.
Mm-hmm. Well, we'll figure out how to work it. There's directions and instructions in it, so we can know how to do it.
Yeah, but I really urge people to not go to McDonald's and order the egg sandwiches because.
And what other egg product do you really like now that you've started using that on your own?
It's just like this. It's called the ceramic egg maker.
Yep.
Because I love making scrambled eggs.
And what do you put in your eggs sometimes?
I put tomatoes, onions, cheese, diced potatoes, and a little cheese, and just a little black pepper, and
With a couple scrambled eggs, and you let them cook in the microwave in those.
Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
And keep checking it.
Until it's done,
and use a scraper to make sure everything on the bottom's done. Yep.
And it doesn't take long at all. I say it's better tasting in the egg ceramic egg maker because I love eggs and I used to cook scrambled eggs on the stove all the time, and I say it's better and tastes better in the ceramic egg maker. Plus, you can do it within just a few minutes.
Yeah.
Like you don't need to heat up the stove or anything. So please look into this. I really think people should look into this and not eat McDonald's egg sandwiches anymore, as they're not really healthy.
And if people want to ever get this, where would they be able to get it?
They would be able to order this online. And my mom is a consultant under Molly Lewin.
I have my own
My mom has
site.
My mom has her own
ordering site.
Ordering site, and just look up Mary
Pampered
Chef
dot com slash P W S as in Sam slash, and those are backslashes, by the way, and then it's M for Mary, S as in Sam, T as in Tom, E as in Ellen.
E as in Ellen.
R as in Rose.
R as in Rose.
N
N
as in Nancy.
S
S.
as in Sam.
And that's it. And you just look up that. pamperedchef.com/PWS/
And it's really
M Stearns.
And it's really easy to make, and I urge others to look into this because you'll love it. I have developmental delays and it's hard to cook healthy food in the kitchen where it's hard to cut and prepare food, and I can do it easier with Pampered Chef items, and it really helps someone like me with developmental delays.
So Barbara will
this
come.
is my story.
Okay, so Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Looking and Happy New Year for 2020. And yep, and we'll come back on at another time when Barbara is, and when she's read up on it and she gets used to using
Yep.
this new product she got.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Stay tuned.